raised this week in the media regarding a letter written by the Secretary for Christian Citizenship and Social Services, Reverend Nawadra, to Divisional Superintendents and Ministers on resolution passed in the 2014 annual conference. I must admit that until this matter was highlighted in the news, I was unaware of the letter or its contents. I have read the letter anyway and wish to make the following clarification points. One is that the roles of the Department of Citizenship, Christian Citizenship and Social Services is to help our members to be aware of current issues affecting our society and the Church's theological and the practical reflection on them. This has been the practice of the Methodist Church since its establishment. The issue raised in the letter are based on resolutions passed by the 2014 conference, in which more than 1,000 clergies and lay members representatives of the divisions of the church deliberated and voted on. The aim of the letter for the attention of the divisional superintendent and ministers was to give a background on the resolutions to show that these issues are not new and have been part of the Methodist Church's social policy for some time. It was to place these resolutions in its proper context.